In the heart of Quakers Hill, Australia lies Life Anglican Church, where Daniel Walmsley brought forth an extraordinary definition of magnificent Christmas joy with a creation called Bethlehem stage design. This oasis became so spirited that it influenced numerous churches to reproduce this exceptional feast by employing Pleasant Valley Church as motivation for transformative, tactile goodness sweeping their imaginative world. Life changed its facade symbolized for all. Christ Jesus' theme is love, and we express our gratitude through generous volunteers crafting every twist in detail. In relation, however, Daniel further disclosed details elaborately explaining they were motivated heavily because some other ideas did not quite manifest well within the church neighborhood boundaries, which imposed various serious constraints. Such a feasible choice now seemed impossible at times, but then thankfully someone had idea he shared here. The first item they considered making are 3 supporting poles using relatively inexpensive pieces of pine accurately positioned firmly above platforms that allowed installation over huge windows to visually separate them, since these buildings had structural issues otherwise requiring additional money, maintenance, etc., leading towards unnecessary wastage resources instead of effectively taking long hours building this magnificent nativity tale, getting everyone involved. Recalling their own experience, Dave said, "Although people thought us and our staff were insane working tirelessly from before dawn till after dusk, we enjoyed ourselves mostly. Committing total amount spent was only around almost $5 saved time, which might have cost much more had professionals, as it's certainly worth the fun memories later in many years come." Inside each figuratively painted and decorated wooden boards, they used 3 different textures, creating illusion light falling off surfaces, bringing together an incredible sense shared vision among attendees all ages. For individuals unfamiliar, here's how most structures built: one large collection, unwanted salvaged wood timber pieces, a small quantity plywood, cheap aluminum foil, glue, sticks, staples, or string. Not expensive elements altogether, but still very sleek. Another interesting point, Daniel revealed what effectively proved impressively simple option came from popular news source, where church told us of their own experience technique using high shade reflecting materials, making exactly 1 brick wall with just 2 tiny reels, lightweight aluminum strips folded into almost rectangular pattern held upside the door, clearly marked main entrance. At close inspection, these details show care was put visual effect rather than hastily throwing items together, while also considering funds constraints. An enjoyable, albeit challenging test indeed. To see design, virtually explore provided link for more information at your video's description. Right there you have it, folks. And that concludes this thoughtful presentation. Now to catch my weekly narratives, don't leave without leaving your names. Subscribe, like, send me comment right after hitting the publish button. Thanks for watching Church Stage Creations. If this was helpful or inspiring, please comment, share, and subscribe. You'll find all the design details and how to submit your own stage creations in the description below. Your support keeps us going. Keep creating inspiring spaces.